I'm pretty sure that every kid who's ever been given a drink with a straw knows this trick. If you put one finger on an end of a straw, you can trap some liquid inside the other end. What if instead we took out the straw and then we put our finger over the liquid end and released our finger from the first end? Now the water is stuck where our finger is, but we can then put that straw back into the liquid and look what happens. If I change the angle of that straw, then whoop, it flows back into the glass. Cool. Alright, what else can we do? Well, if you try to recreate that effect really fast and essentially force the straw in, the liquid will sputter out the top. A little bit messy, but it's interesting. We learned something. Now, if I hold the straw like so... Wait, where's the water going? It's disappearing. No, oh wait, it's pulling down here at the bottom, the open end. It's just getting stopped by something I can't see. Let me see that effect again. I think that's worth looking at. Yeah, look, it's pulling at the bottom, even though there's nothing there to stop it. I honestly did not expect that to happen. Okay, let's make a note about that. If I fill the straw up and leave it in the upright vertical position, it will stay suspended in the air for as long as I want, but as soon as I change the angle, it starts flowing back down. I think that's maybe related to some of the things we've been seeing. Now, taking what I've observed so far, I'm curious what would happen if I trap some liquid inside the straw in the upright position and then move the straw up and down in that same orientation, that vertical orientation. So you can see here, it's like the water is staying completely still and allowing the straw to move around it. It's a little bit of a surreal effect, if I'm honest. So I started to wonder what would happen if I used a much bigger straw. So I got this tubing here. And what I did was I filled the tube from end to end with water. So this tube is entirely full of water. And as you can see here, I'm hanging this down below the desk. The other end I'm going to insert into the drinking glass we've been using. What do you think will happen when I release both ends simultaneously? Let's observe.